Hello everyone, this is just an ad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to use this Febreze plug scent booster. So it does not come with any scent. You got to get the Febreze plug-in scents. But here's everything that comes in the box. You do have to plug it in all the time. It comes with a cord, and the cord is 6 feet long. So let's take it apart. Let's show you how. Again, you can use any of the fragrances. The plug-in refills is what you've got to use. So I've got a plug-in refill here. It's all ready to go. We do have to take these caps off, and they can be hard. So you want to hold the glass and turn that. You may have to get like a piece of rubber and turn that. The cap and turn that. This piece stays. That keeps them together. Okay, so before we add the oil, scented oil, let's take a look at it. Here's what the bottom looks like. It simply just pops off. And this is where you put the refills, which I'm going to show you how to put the refills. Then you just snap it back onto the base. This cord is permanently attached. We've got different scent levels, and we can turn it off. We've got a refill reminder light, and we even have a boost light, and there's a boost switch up here. When you press this switch, you're going to get 40 minutes of increased intensity of the scent. Now, this is a warmer. It's constantly putting out scent. Depending on, you've got low, medium, and high. All the way to the left with the circle open, that's off. So again, take your caps off. You're going to insert them. You can insert it either way, but it should kind of click there. It kind of clicks into place. And now you simply just set this on the cap. The word Febreze is facing forward. Let's go ahead and plug it in. You're going to see two lights flash on the top. That lets you know that it's plugged. There it is. That's the blue light. That's the refill reminder light also. So when that starts flashing, that means your refill is empty. And it probably looks something like this. This is when they're empty. All right. So as it's sitting here, I've got it off. So let's go to all the way to max. Again, you're not going to see any steam or anything coming out here. This is just heating it, and scent is coming out. Now, let's do a boost and see what happens. That light is supposed to come on. Maybe it's hard to see. Yeah, it did come on. And I should get an increased intensity of the scent. Yeah, I can sort of see it there. I'll go look at it in the dark. So this thing is not really tall. 4 feet or 4 inches tall. Oh, about 3.5 inches wide. You know, and about 3 inches with the cord. Again, the cord is 6 feet long. So it's super easy to use. I think you're going to like this. This is meant for putting somewhere that you can't plug one in, because the only other option is, the plug, like you have to plug it into an actual outlet. So this one, you can put this up to 6 feet away and get the same scent and use the same scent, and you actually have a boosting button. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom. There's the blue light. That's the blue light refill reminder. So let's press the boost, and it does light up. Now, in the video, it's really bright, but in real life, it's actually pretty dim in real life. And again, that's for 40 minutes. It's going to increase the scent. This is a more accurate representation. It looks pretty cool. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.